Hello, children. Welcome back to your English class. Children, today we'll learn prepositions. What is a preposition? It is a word which links nouns or pronouns to other words by telling us about the place, time, and direction of the nouns or pronouns. There are three types of prepositions: preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of direction. Prepositions which tell us about the position of a noun are called the prepositions of place, like in, on, under, inside, beneath, and between. These all things tell us about a position of any object. Now, see, children, you can see a picture here. Now, in this picture, you can see a mug is kept in different places. So, the coffee mug is kept on the counter, then inside the drawer, beside the counter, so on. So, children, in each of the sentences you just read, a preposition tells us about where the coffee mug is. Now, the next is prepositions of time. Prepositions that tell us about time are called prepositions of time. The prepositions of time are at, on, from, for, and in. We use at to talk about an exact point in time. Suppose our school starts at 8:15 in the morning. Here an exact time is given. So before that we use at. Now we use on or from to talk about a particular hour, day, and date. For example, our school sports day will be held on the 12th of December. Now, here, children, you see we have used on here in the sentence because here a date is given, 12th of December. So, before that, we have used on here. My exams are starting from tomorrow. Here we have used from in the sentence to tell that from tomorrow onwards exams are starting. My brother is coming on Monday. Why on Monday? Because Monday is a name of a day. So before that we have used here on. So we use for to talk about a stretch of period of time. Okay. Any stretch or period of time, when we talk about this type of things, we use for. Like we have been waiting here for 3 hours. Like for long 3 hours we are waiting here. That time we use for. In. We use in to talk about time that is not exact. Like during a day or a month, a season or a year. Okay. Nothing particular is given here. For example, we will go to Spain in August. So children, in August. Why in August? Because here only the month is given, no date, nothing is given else extra. So we have used in here. It snows here in winter. Again, in winter only the season is mentioned, no date, nothing is given here. So we have used in here. I started learning German in 2008. When in 2008? That is not mentioned here. Only the year has been mentioned, 2008. So we have used in here. So children, I think I have made myself clear about the prepositions of time. Now we'll see prepositions of direction. These are to, towards, into, through, and across. So children, what is preposition of direction? The prepositions that tell us about movement and its direction are called the prepositions of direction. Say children, we use to or towards in order to express movement towards a place or a goal. Goal means our like sometimes we have some plannings, like we have to go there. Some place we think about, so that is called the goal. So for example, my parents drive to work together. Both of them, they go together. Okay. So that here we have used to because they are going together to the to work. We were inside a dark tunnel. Slowly we moved towards the light. Children, I think tunnel you all have seen while going in a train. Sometimes, like in hilly areas or in forest areas, sometimes we get this type of tunnels. It's a it's a covered place and totally black inside. And slowly, when we move out of this tunnel, we can see lights. So we move towards the light. Slowly, we move towards the light. That means from darkness, we move towards the light. Okay, so in this type of sentences we use towards. Then children, we use into to show movement towards the inside of something. Like he was scared when he fell into the swimming pool. Okay, he fell into the swimming pool, so he got scared. The next is through. We use through to show movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other. The train went through the dark tunnel. Again, it's a tunnel. You all have seen, like both the ends are opened, but inside is very dark. Okay, so the train went through the dark tunnel. The train went through the dark tunnel. Next is we use across to show movement from one side of an open space to another. Okay, when like the dog ran across the road, it tells us of one side of an open space to the another. So the dog ran across the road. The road is open from all the sides, but the dog crossed the road. They rowed the boat across the river. River is also open from all the sides, but they rowed the boat across the river from one side to another. So children, this was all about the prepositions. When we do the exercises, it will be more clear to you. So, thank you.